update y'all. I'm in the process of putting some lights on my kayak. Got these LEDs here. Put one on that side too. Got one right here. Right under, right there. We'll have solar panel right there. And inside here, gonna be strapped to this little light pipe right here. It's basically a rod holder. Got all of this stuff from Temu, but this is going to the solar panel here. And I've got all these rod holders here that I had installed. These are facing forward. This 45 here. And this one back here. Got all those from Temu, but if you get any electrical switches, out switches right down there. There's gonna be 3 switches here. If you get any switches from them, be sure to check your connection before you hook it up. Because a lot of times it's gonna be wired incorrectly. Your reds are not necessarily gonna be hot. And this is the result. Anyways, this shouldn't have really done this. It's gonna be 3 amp fuse. And I don't see any other, you can go 1/2 amp up to 3 amp. These are all LEDs, so I figured 3 amp max. But none of the lights would come on. And stupid me, I've been out of the electrical field for so long, I didn't check the connection. I assumed they were right, seeing as it was from their factory. And completely smoked the wire. I mean, I've done stupid stuff before, but this is the first time I've actually, and this is like 16 gauge wire right here, so it shouldn't have done this. But yeah, the whole boat was smoking. And just want to let you guys know, check and ohm out the switch before you even hook it up, especially if you buy it from like Temu or something like that, because in my case it was wired incorrectly. And I had that happen. So it's right here. Solar panel's gonna be mounted just like that. My battery itself is in a case with the rest of my switches, my fish finder is all in an ammo can, and it sits right here in the middle, right about in there. And there's an arm that goes out to the side there on that little rail right here. And the transducer hangs in the water. So, but anyways, I wanted to come on here and let y'all know that. There's little shrink wraps here, but that's what I was planning on doing. Solar panel, light inside the hatch. Got light here. You gotta have one right there. Got one under the seat for, you know, keep my bait here. Gonna have one right there, and got one right there. That's why I ain't been out doing much fishing this year, but I gotta use an old, just a stiff piece of, this is piano wire. I'll put the holes where I need to be, and then I'll take and tie the end of the wire to this and feed this through the holes. This comes out, so it's my cup holder, and so I'll run the piano wire through the hole here, and all of this is watertight, and this is gonna be, when it's done, I had RTV around it. So basically I run the piano wire this way, bring it, reach in here, grab it, bring it out, and then I'll tie the wire to it and send it back that way. So that's pretty much already done in here. But for the front hatch, I plan on zip tying. And I already tried it yesterday, I already did it, but then I pulled it off because I was gonna check my, look, I already did it yesterday, but then I pulled it off because I was gonna check my connections to see if it damaged my light. Then I'm gonna have in this hatch here a little bit of water. I left the hatch off the other day and a little bit of water got in there. Anyways, just letting you guys know, if you use wire from Temu or devices from Temu, the wire's okay. The switches you need to check, you need to own them out and make sure. The switches will work okay. It's just that don't trust the red and black. That's all I'm saying. Don't trust their red and black. Alright guys, I'm gonna go for now. I got some work to do around the house. If you like this video, you know, click the like button, subscribe for other videos coming up. Kind of help me out in the future there, and I'll get you guys some more stuff on. It's been a little while since I posted, but I got run out of my studio. I've had to come up with another one, and I've moved into a bigger studio, and hopefully that'll help out. But yeah, like I said, like this video and subscribe for upcoming content, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.